Welcome back to chapter number 10 NCERT Math 4 Play with Patterns part 3 video. In continuation from part 2, here we are going to see something like different kind of patterns. Okay, so first let us go to the slide number 1 and then we will continue with what is there in this particular part 3. Okay, the same rule is the heading. Some friends are playing with number cards. See how they add. Okay, so how they are adding, you see it. So 11 plus 16, 11 is there with this person and 16 is available with the last person. Okay, so first person is getting added with the last person's number. First person's number and last person number is getting added. Okay, to get the sum as 27. Next 12 plus 15, second person number and last but one. Okay, so the person who is from last but one is getting added. 12 plus 15 is equal to 27 and left out are only these two. 13 plus 14 is equal to 27. So can you see how how the rule which gives the same sum each time, it is giving the same sum each time. Okay, so the rule, we get the same sum each same sum when we add the two numbers, first from the left and first from the right, second from the left and second from the right, third from the left and third from the right. Just now I explained how it is happening. Okay, so this number is getting added with this number. I mean this number is getting added with this number is getting added with this number, and this number is getting added with this number, and this number with this number. Okay, so 11 plus 16 is 27, 12 plus 15 is 27, and then 13 plus 14 is also 27. Now the question comes to us. Now you write any number and next three numbers in these four boxes. Write any number here and write down the next three numbers. Make a pattern using the rule. Whatever the rule we have seen here, with the same rule, you also try to develop such a pattern. See if you get the same sum. Okay, so let us try with different numbers. So first I would like to try with 1. I took 1 and then I took 3 to 4, next three numbers as 3 to 4. Then I will be adding 1 plus 4, I will be getting the sum 5. 3 plus 2, I will be getting the sum 5. Let us take few more examples. 10, 20, 40 and 30. These are the numbers in the boxes. Okay, so if you add the first digit, this is the first one with the last one, you will be getting 10 plus 40 is equal to 50. Okay, and 30 plus 20 also is equal to 50. Okay, so first in this we have took single digit numbers, here we took double digit numbers. Okay, now let us go with the alternate, I mean combination of these two digit and single digit. So 12, 13, 7 and 8 are the numbers. 12 plus 8 is 20, 13 plus 7 is also 20. We are following the same rule and then we are getting the results. Let us go with a few more examples. I mean one more example, not few more. So 11, 12, 16, 17 are the numbers. 11 plus 17 is equal to 28 and then 12 plus 16 is equal to 28. Okay, so like that you have to use this particular rule to get the sum equal. Okay, now we will see some other rule, patterns with addition. So 1, 2, 3 are added and we got the result here as 6. After adding 1, 2, 3, we got the result as 6. 2, 3, 4, result as 9. 3, 4, 5, 12. What is happening here? 6 is getting added with 3. Okay, and we got 9 plus 3 and we are getting 12. How the numbers are selected? What is the pattern here? 1 2 3, they have removed 1 and then they took 2 here, okay, 3 here, and then they added 4, one more extra number. Then we are getting the sum is equal to 9. In this case again they have removed the 2, 3 is added here and then 4 is added here and they took 5. Okay, so similarly is giving one more example. 1 2 3 4, 1 is removed, 2 3 4 5, 2 is removed, 3 4 5 6, and see the sum is getting incremented. How it is getting incremented? Okay, the sum is growing by 4 times each year, plus 4 and then plus 4, and he is asking us to check whether the sum is getting incremented by 5. In this example we are supposed to take 5, we are supposed to get the sum incremented by 5. So how many numbers we are taking in this? We are taking the numbers in such a way that here there are 5 numbers in the first row, and then in the second rows 1 is removed and then 2 3 4 5 6, you already know about this. 3 is removed and then 4 is 3 is removed, 4 next 3 4 5 6 7, 4 is removed and then 5 6 7 8 9, like that. So it is every time one number will be removed and then this pattern repeats. 2 3 4 5, 3 4 5 6, okay, 4 5 6 7, 5 6 7 8 9. And now the task given to us is we have to check what is the sum getting, whether it is getting incremented or by 5, I mean whether it is growing by 5 or not. So let us check it. In the first case, 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 15. Okay, so 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 3 10 plus 4 plus 1 15. And in this case you see 6 plus 4 is 10, 15, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, the sum got incremented. I mean it is growing by 5. Okay, so it is just getting incremented by 5. And in the next example also it is same. Okay, 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 is 25, 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 8 and it is 30, 35, like that. Okay, so just keep on increasing these numbers, you will be getting the additions. The count will be incremented by 5, or the count will be growing by 5. Okay, or the sum will be growing by 5. Now secret messages. So what are you doing? I am trying to read the note from my friend, but I cannot understand it. The other girl is telling that, okay, let me see, it looks like it is a secret message. Yamini is the girl name. She explained the rule. Numbers have been used for the letters. So let us see one small example here. J is 10, P is 16, so jump. Okay, so J is 10 and then P is 16. So he got 10 plus 10, 21, 13, 16. JUMP is 10, 21, 13, 16. So how it is, we can see. You take, in the textbook he gave only up to E, complete it up to Z, and then write down the numbers for each letter. Okay, now check what is J, as they only gave us it is 10, and then what is U is 21, correct. Then M is how much? M is given as 13, and what is P is 16. Okay, so can you tell from this 7, 15, 15, 4, 7 is how much? G, and 15 is how much? O. Okay, so G O, 7 is G O O, and 4 could be D. Good. And 14 is what? 14 is N. Okay, now I think you are getting the message. 9 is what? 9 is I. Okay, and 7 is G, and 8 is H, and then 20 is T. So the message is good night. It is given by his friend, but it is in a code language, that is secret language. So this is not the question given to us. The question given to us is something different. So we are supposed to write, the Tinu wants to write his friend good morning. So what could be the message? Just now we have seen what is the message for good, G 7 15 4. Okay, so then for the night we have seen something different message there, but for the morning it will be changing. So let us take good first. 7 15 15 4. Morning, capital M 13. Okay, then O 15, R 18. Okay, so let me write 13 15 18, then next 14, like that. You have to look at the table and complete the secret message. Okay, so in the next one we are supposed to write a code secret message for let us dance. So it is 11 4 19. For let us, LET is L is of course the task here is we have to think, we have to replace the rule in such a way that it is, for example, you can see here, instead of taking the 1 at A, you have to take now 1 at B. Now C will become 2, D will become 3, E will become 4, 5, 6, 7, so on up to the last letter will become 25, and the 26 is left. There is nothing is assigned to that. Okay, and A is also left. So let us dance. So actually the L will be it was 10, but now it became 11, and E is 4 and T is 19, like that. Here there is a ambiguity. We don't know what to write in the place of A because A is not there. Okay, so shall I write 26 for A or shall I write 0 for A? It depends upon the person who is evaluating your paper. So let us take the two options here. One option is you can take a 0 by considering the empty space as 0. Okay, or otherwise if you take a circular rotation, then 26 number will come here. Okay, so all those things are big words for you, then everything may go above your head. So forget for now. I kept dash here because either it could be 0 or 26. Your answer is right if you write 0 there. Your answer is right if you write 26 there. Okay, or to avoid confusion, you directly go with 3 0 13 2 4. Okay, so that is about let us dance. And for question marks and all those things I didn't consider here, so you can put the question mark here, let us dance. Okay, now coming to the next one, more secret messages. Okay, you just ignore this ink TVC IB OV7. I will tell you what is that. Play with patterns, second part of the play with patterns, secret messages, more secret messages. So you can see there 3 persons, they are checking some secret messages, right? Okay, Shablu and Jaggu are playing a game. They are writing some secret messages, but Kahuli, the last person, is unable to understand anything. So Jaggu explained the rule. Can you see? That's why there is a question mark on his head. Okay. So Jaggu is explaining the rule. You see, we have changed each letter by its next letter. That is, we write G in place of F, O in place of N. So S becomes ZFT. Kahuli says, oh, now I understood, but I didn't understood anything up to now. So what did Kahuli understood, sir? So let us explain it clearly, or can you explain it clear? Can you make it clear otherwise? So you see, he is telling that G is becoming F, O is written in the place of N. Okay, so YES becomes ZFT. How it becomes ZFT, I will tell you with the help of this first rule is F is becoming G and N is becoming O, and then completely you write down all the alphabets and then write down what is your Y is becoming Z. Okay, then E is becoming F, T is becoming, S is becoming T. So that's why they wrote ZFT. ZFT in the sense you have to look one letter beside that, before that. You have to always look one letter before that. Okay, what is there before Z? It is Y. What is there before T? It is S. And what is there before F? It is E. Okay, so like that you have to look at the letters. Now Kahuli says, yeah, I understood. I hope you also understood now. Now Kahuli, I don't know. Kahuli wrote XF, BSF, GSJ, FOET. He is asking what is that secret message. Okay, so can you tell what is XF? What is XF from this? X before that is W and F before that is E. Okay, that is why that is how we got ZFT, is the arrow is showing there. And next is X indicates W and F indicates E. We got there V. What is BSF? What is there before A? Before A is A, before B is A, B, S and F. Before S is R and before F is E. So we got VR. Okay, and before G is F. Okay, and then before S is R, we already know. Then it is very clear that we are friends. He is telling that we are friends. What did Shablu and Jaggu write? Here you can see the the other two persons who are playing with the patterns, more secret messages. What did they write? He is asking. So I'm writing. I'm telling fastly. You can understand that. Hello is the first word. IFMMP. Here it is. You can see IFMMP. It is hello. I think not that one. XJMM X. What is X? Where is X? No. Then it is I. Yeah, hi is this one, the first one from here. Okay, so from here this is the message for that. I didn't draw this line so that it may not confuse during the presentation. Hello, how are you? That is the question. Even there is a question mark in that. Hello is there is exclamation mark. How are you? Okay, then next one is the below one, this one. I am asking, will you play with me? You can search the patterns from this. each character is written in such a way that next one is taken. So will you play with me? Next, the other boy is telling that, yeah, fine, thank you. How are you? For how are you is telling fine, thank you. And then for ZFT is telling yes. ZFT means yes. Okay. So use the same rule and then write down what is how you will write meet me on the moon. Okay. So how you will write meet me on the moon? For M you have to write N. Okay. And then for E you have to write F. There are two E's, two F's. Okay. And then NF, then next completely like this. Meet me on the moon. And now comes the last one. Make different rules and ask your friends to crack the secret message. So here I wrote TVC IBO V7. Can anyone guess? For the correct answer, I will be sending a secret gift. So for the secret message, I will be sending the secret gift. So correct answer, you have to put it in the subscription below. It is not only for kids, for parents and everybody. Okay. So TVC IB0V7, you have to put it in the comment section below. Now upside down. Anisha is playing. She is showing a friends. She can stand on her hand. Now Anisha is playing with this card. What it will look like when she is upside down? So it's very simple. Just invert this message. You will see how you can look at that particular 7. The play card 7 looks like. Okay. So this is upside down. Now we will stop here. So subscribe to my channel and then click the bell icon, click the like and share button. If you have any doubts, then put them in the comment section below. Let us meet with the last part of this play with patterns. There we have to work with laying the floor patterns. I mean floor tiles and everything, right?
Bring the funk back.